Welcome to the Hard Rock Hotel in Tampa, Florida, where today I'm going to be using a Groupon for the Sugar Factory. They have one in Orlando right around I Drive, but I've never been to one, so I thought I would check it out here. So come along for this adventure. I just got pixie-fied, pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! Oh, that is so cool. This looks kind of scary, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Wow, this is non-alcoholic. This is a cotton candy you can get for your kids, you can get for yourself. Look at that. Apparently it's unsweet iced tea based, but I'm telling you, this is super sweet, hence the Sugar Factory. So far the food here is actually really good. I had a grilled cheese and they gave me a little bit of the tomato soup on the side with it and fries. I am taking half of all of it home because dessert is next. I can't come here and not get one of those wackadoodle shakes, so that is next. And I'll turn it around so you can see how much of the sugar drink that I drank. Not a lot. It's really, really sweet. And it's still bubbling. It's been a while and it's still bubbling. Holy mackerel. This is ridiculous. Seriously, this thing's as big as my head. I'm sitting down and it's right here. This is unbelievable. Wait, you have to see the other side. Look at that. Clearly I am not finishing this by myself. I'm going to taste it. Let's taste it right now. First of all, I don't even know how to get it. There's like a brownie in here. And then there's literally s'mores with the chocolate and the marshmallow and the graham cracker. And then I don't even know what flavor the ice cream is gonna be. Let's see. I gotta take the other stuff off first. I think I found a spot over here to be able to take a sip. Oh my gosh. It's actually really, really good. Even though it's like all the flavors combined, mostly chocolate, but you can definitely taste like a marshmallow in there. Clearly I am not eating this now. I'm gonna take this home with me along with my half of my sandwich, but oh my gosh. This is really a neat place, especially if you have kids. It's not something place you would come every day, but it is definitely interesting. All right, I'm gonna tackle taking this thing apart now. Clearly you will have a lot of leftovers. And if you didn't get enough sugar while you're at the restaurant, well, then you can come out here and stock up on all kinds of candy and pretzels to take home with you. that's going to wrap it up for me here at the Sugar Factory at the Hard Rock Hotel here in Tampa, Florida. It is right by the Lucky Street parking garage. So as soon as you get in from that direction, the restaurant is right here on your left-hand side. So it's really easy to find. On that note, they actually let me take this home. It's not bubbling anymore because the dry ice isn't in it, but I think I'm gonna go home and put some water in it to make it not so sweet. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.